RVs of America. We're working on some more modifications on the Black Series. Our customer wanted a high lift jack added on there since there's no jack with it. And the only thing that's going to really lift this up because of the great clearance these have is a high lift jack. That's what most off-roaders use. So I got the big tall one. The spot that we decided to be best to go on it will be back here on the tire, where the tires are mounted as well. So right here is the tire mounts, and this is a 2-inch tube or square. And so we're going to mount one. The way the high lift jack mounts work, there's 2 brackets, and it's going to go around here and then over on the other side to give it good support. So I'm just back here finishing up these mounts. As you can see, they just have a U-bolt that goes underneath, and then that tightens right up, and these ones are designed for 2 to 3 inch tubes, so it's perfect. And I'll just tighten these up and we'll put the jack on here in a second.
Looking good. Beautiful.
Alright, now I'm just putting on the tie down for the high lift jack. We got it up on here. And those just have a lock washer and this handy nut. And then I got the other one for the other side.
Woohoo. Just barely enough space right on that tire. I'm not rubbing on there. And there we are with the...
Not going anywhere.
Yes, that's mounted nicely there.
Easy to take off.
Just
if you ever need it.
Just take it off, and we used it in Canyonlands.
We did. You'll see.
You'll see in the next video. Stay tuned. Sorry, shoot, I'm giving spoilers.
Right.
Oh no. In the next video, we used it. We needed it. The next Canyonland video. Anyway.
Thank you for watching. If you liked our video, please push the like button, subscribe, leave a comment. If you want any other modifications or questions, and then if you'd like to come pick up one of these bad boys, you know, give us a call or email us, or you can go on our website too. And we'll see you next time.